Issue sa agawan ng teritoryo suportado ng mga kongresista. Samantala, pagpapalakas ng puwersa ng AFP mabisang susi raw para maituloy ang laban. Balitaan mo kami, Emil Carrion.
Hindi matapos-tapos ang usapin ng agawan ng teritoryo sa siyam na isla ng Spratlys, Ayungin Shoal, Panatag Shoal sa West Philippine Seas. Kaya naman todo suporta ang mababang kapulungan ng Kongreso dito. Sa bahagi ni House Defense Committee Chairman Rodolfo Biazon, matindi ang pagkikipaglaban ng Aquino administration sa pamamaraan ng peaceful diplomacy para maresolba ito sa bansang China.
I think that what the President is doing, the Executive Department is doing, is the right way, the only way at the moment. The only way at the moment. What I'm saying is this, there can be no permanent resolution to the dispute without or outside of international tribunals, outside of the provisions of the international laws. It must always be. In the meantime, I think enhancing our alliances with our allies also is a good step.
Sa ngayon ay nasa mesa na ng ITLOSO ang International Tribunal for the Laws of the Seas sa Hague, Netherlands, para mabusisi ang 4,000 pahinang dokumento sa petisyon ng Pilipinas para maibalik ang karapatan sa Pinoy. Matatanda ang umayaw ang China na humarap dito. Pumayag lang ito para sa isang bilateral talks, ani Biazon, multilateral ang tamang pag-uusap. Bukod sa Pilipinas, ang China ay nagkakaroon din ng iringan sa usapin ng teritoryo sa bansang Taiwan, Vietnam, Malaysia at Brunei Darussalam. Iisa ang reklamo, agawan ng karapatan, agawan ng teritoryo.
We have to consider a lot of factors here. Number one, we are not the only disputant in the issue. No? There are other countries, especially claimants to the West, East Vietnamese Sea, and South China Sea. So since there are claimants to the same issue and there are overlapping interests, it will be very difficult for us to justify engaging China on a bilateral talks. It must have to be multilateral.
Nakakabahala naman umano ang patuloy na pambubuyo ng bansang China. Ang pinakabago ay ang naganap sa Ayungin Shoal kung saan ang mga Chinese Coast Guard ships ay nagtangkang harangin ng isang private shipping boat na may dalang supply para sa mga Philippine Marine soldiers sa BRP Sierra Madre. Paninindigan at patuloy na protesta umano ang laban dito.
There is nothing wrong with what we are doing now, and that is piling up our protests and pursuing our claims under the international law and in the international tribunals.
Ayon naman kay retired AFP Chief Benjamin Defensor, pagpapalakas ng AFP capability ang mahalagang proteksyon sa territory. Isang proyektong nakakaligtaan pero ngayon, sa panahon ni Pangulong Benigno Aquino III, ay binigyan ng importansya.
We have, as I have always emphasized when I was Chief of Staff of the AFP, the best way to deal with not only with China but with any other country who dare intrude into our shores is to have a strong armed forces. Because as Mao Zedong himself said, any country without a strong armed forces is nothing. Its people and its nation is nothing. It's a good step because you have at least, we have started something here which should have happened 20 years ago. He is trying to correct the error that we did by not ordering the weapon systems that we were recommending before.
Kasama si Freddy Abando para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Emil Carrion.